Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today we'll try to understand how to use Chrome browser as a file manager and how to access WhatsApp data through Chrome browser. I'm sure most of us definitely use an app locker to secure our WhatsApp data. Recently, even WhatsApp has also introduced a fingerprint lock exclusively for the app. To set up fingerprint security, open settings, account, privacy, fingerprint lock. Now we have options like immediately, after 1 minute and after 30 minutes. Select one of the options as per your preferences. So at this point we assume that our WhatsApp data is secure and no one else can access it other than one who know the password, right? Yeah. But if what if I say I can easily access all your chat conversations, multimedia files, etc.? Does that sound interesting to you? I'll show you how to access WhatsApp data in seconds, even if the app is secured and password locked. So, the reason why I'm making this video is most of us assume that our data is secure if we have set a pin or pattern for WhatsApp. But, my dear friends, that isn't the case. Let me prove this. So, here is my mobile screen, and if you see, I already have a fingerprint security set for WhatsApp. So, when I open a WhatsApp, it's asking me to enter the fingerprint so that it can unlock the app. So, I have a security working over here. That's great. Also, I have a file manager installed. I already set a password to the app. So this is my file manager app. When I tap on it, even this is asking me to enter the fingerprint to unlock it. Okay, it is doing good job. That's great. Okay, now let me show you how to access data while both the apps are locked. Right, open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type file colon followed by three triple slashes, then SD card. Once done, tap on go. Bang! What is this? I'm seeing files and folders which are stored on my device internal storage. I thought setting password to my file manager app will secure my data, but it doesn't seems to be doing the job. If you notice, I'm able to access all the files and folders which are stored on my device, right? So if I wanted to transfer a file, I'll have a long tap on either file or a folder, then tap on a share link. It will give you options of transferring data. Like this is how you can use Chrome browser as a file manager. Okay, now let's focus on how to access WhatsApp data. So if I zoom more, I hope you can see a folder named WhatsApp. Not only WhatsApp, you will be able to view all the app folders which are installed on your device. So let me tap on WhatsApp folder. Let me try to access it. Bang! It's allowing me to access the data. Let me try to play any video and show it to you. Okay, so all the multimedia files will be stored under the media folder, right? Let me tap on it. Okay, see, it's giving me A to Z, all the folders, all the documents, all the gifs, all the audio files, profile photos, stickers, voice notes, whatnot, everything. Let me try to play one of the video which I have received recently. So I need to tap on WhatsApp video. So here are the list of videos which I have received recently. So let me tap on any one of them. Okay. Okay, so it's playing video without any restrictions, though I have a password set for both the applications. And if you're wondering what this guy is doing here, he's trying to explain how to make a homemade nebulizer for people who are suffering from asthma. Okay, so this is how I can access entire WhatsApp data without any restrictions, and if I want I can transfer this data on just a click. Have a long tap on a file, just tap on share link and it will give you different ways to transfer data. Okay, let me come back here. If you see, I have a folder named database. This databases folder contains backup data of your WhatsApp. So if you set a backup on periodic basis, WhatsApp will back up all your chat conversation history, media files and store it under the folder databases. Okay, so and these databases, these files are encrypted. Okay, so if I wanted to access all your conversation, whatever A to Z, I just have to tap on file. And if I transfer this backup file to my device or any other device, it's not too hard to decrypt this encrypted file. Okay, once I have decrypted, I'll be access to all the conversations that you had in your WhatsApp. I'll be able to view all the files and folders, documents, voice notes, images, everything. Okay, so friends, if we assume that device data is secured just by setting password to file manager, WhatsApp app, that isn't secure. We also need to add a security to Chrome browser. That is when we can say that our data is secure. Hope this video was helpful for you for identifying the security flaws and how to protect your data. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Have a great day.